Class 8, today we are in chapter number 20. Chapter name is mensuration. And topic is area of a polygon and a polygon. Area of a polygon, instead of polygon, it is written trapezium. Area of a trapezium. And so we'll not start with trapezium, we'll start with polygon. And we'll start with first polygon. First polygon is what? Triangle. So we'll start with a triangle whose base is given as b and height is given as h. So from class 5 onward you are reading the formula for finding area of triangle, that is equal to half into base into height. So formula will be half into b into h. Area is two dimensional, so unit will be meter square, or cm is centimeter square, or decimeter square, or millimeter square. And if you have to find out perimeter, then it will be sum of three sides, a plus b plus c, and here it will be either a meter or centimeter or decimeter or millimeter. If case of scalene triangle is, so perimeter already we know that it is a plus b plus c, but if you have to find out area, then at first we'll find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means what? Half of the perimeter. So for half of the perimeter we are using symbol S. So it will be perimeter divided by 2. And if you have to find out area, then we are using a formula which is also known as Heron's formula. It is known as Heron's formula. And Heron's formula says that area of triangle is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. One example we'll see. A triangle is given whose sides are given 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and you have to find out its area. So at first we are going to calculate its semi-perimeter. A plus b plus c by 2 means 6 plus this 8 plus 10 divided by 2 means 24 by 2. It is coming out as 12. And then we'll apply Heron's formula. Area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. So it will be 12 into 12 minus 6 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 10. So it will come out as 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. And 12 minus 10 is 2. So it will come out as 6 square into 2 square into 2 square. So 1 6 will come out, 1 2 will come out, and 1 2 will come out. So it will be 6 2s are 12 2s are 24 meter square. We will start with exercise 20A. It is given two sides of triangle. One side length is 6 centimeter, another side length is 8 centimeter. And height of triangle corresponding to 6 centimeter is given as 4. And you have to find out at first area of triangle, and then also you have to find out height of triangle. Height was given corresponding to 6. Now you have to find out height corresponding to 8 centimeter. So in this figure, this side is 6 centimeter, this side is 8 centimeter, and height corresponding to 6 centimeter is given 4. So we'll find out area, half into base into height. Base means 6 and height means 4. This 2 will cancel 4 how many times? 2 times. So 6 2s are 12 centimeter square will be your answer. Second part of the question asks about height corresponding to 8 centimeter. So now base is 8, height is h. So area will be half into base into height. Already we know that that is equal to 12. So it will be half into base is 8 and height is unknown. This 2 will cancel it how many times? 4 times. So 4h is equal to 12. So h will be 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we are in question number 8. Area of equilateral triangle is given. So first you know what is formula for area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into square of the side. A is behaving as side. What is given? Area of equilateral triangle is numerically equal to perimeter. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. So information is area is equal to perimeter. So for area we will use the formula root 3 by 4a square, and for perimeter we will use the formula 3a. 1a will be cancelled. So if we want a, so this 4 will go up and root 3 will come down. Root 3 will cancel this 3 root 3 times. So length of side of equilateral triangle will come out as 4 root 3 centimeter. Second part of question is you have to find out perimeter correct to 2 decimal places. So we are going to find out perimeter. So perimeter formula of equilateral triangle is how much? 3 into side. So 3 into 4 root 3 12 root 3. Since we want answer up to 2 places of decimals, we'll put the value of 3. And most of you know that root 3 is equal to 1.73. So 12 into 1.73 will give you result as perimeter is equal to 20.78 centimeter. Next question is question number 9. A field is there which is a quadrilateral. Name is ABCD, where AB length is given, AD length is given, BC length is DC given. One special thing is angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So figure is drawn ABCD such that angle A is equal to 90, and you have to find out its area. Till now we know the area of triangle, we do not know area of this quadrilateral. So what we'll do, we'll join BD so that we'll get one right angle triangle and one scalene triangle. Then we'll find out area of this right angle triangle and the area of this scalene triangle. When we'll add this area to this area, we will get area of this whole quadrilateral. At first we'll try to find out the length of BD, which is behaving as hypotenuse for this triangle. So it will be perpendicular square 24 square and base square 18 square. After calculation it will come out as how much? 330 meter. So we will try to find out area of this triangle. To find area of this triangle, we'll use half into base into height. Height half of AB into AD. So AB is 18 and AD is 24. So 2 will cancel this 24 how many times? 12 times. So 12 into 18 will give you 216 centimeter square. Now we have to find out area of this triangle, which is scalene. So this side we are considering as A, this side as B, and this side as C. So what we'll do, we'll find out semi perimeter. So it will be 40 plus 50 plus 30 by 2, 120 by 2. So it is coming out as 60 meter. And as usual, we'll apply the formula of area. Heron's formula, area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. S is 60, 60 minus first side is 40, second side is 50, third side is 30. After calculation it will come out 36 with 4 zeros, and when we will take square root it will come out as 600 meter square. Now you have to find out area of this quadrilateral. So area of this figure plus area of this figure means area of this right triangle and this scalene triangle. This is 216 and this one is how much? 600. So 600 plus 216 will give you result as 816 meter square. Question number 12 says there is a relation between altitude and base of a triangle. Ratio of altitude and base is given. So base by altitude is given as per book 6:5. So B by H is equal to 6:5. So we'll consider B is equal to 6s and H will consider as 5x. And cost of field is given this much. And rate of purchasing field is given 36,720 rupees per hectare. So anyhow, we have to find out how much is the area of the field. To do so, what we'll do? This total cost will be divided by rate. So we are going to find out area of field, that is equal to total cost divided by rate. It will come out as 135 hectare. Information provided in book is that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So what we'll do? To find out area of field in meter square, this 135 hectare will multiply by 10,000. So your result will come out as 135 with how many zeros? 4 zeros. Now we'll apply area formula. Area formula says area of triangle is half into base into height. This one is already known. So we'll copy it. Half into, already have said that base we have considered as 6x and height we have considered as 5x. So 1 by 2 into 6x into 5x will come out as this much. So 2 will cancel 6, 6 5s are 30 and 30 will divide 2. So your result will be 15x square. 15x square will come out as this much. So to get the value of x square, this whole value will be divided by 15. So it will come out with 9 with how many zeros? 4 zeros. So we have to find out value of x. So we'll take root over of this one, 90,000. So root over 90,000 will give you how much? 300 meter. Question is, what is length, what is base and what is altitude? So base is how much we have considered? Base is 6x. So it will be 6 into 300. So this will come out as 1800 meter. And what is altitude? Altitude we have considered as 5x. So altitude h will be 5 into 300 and it will come out as 1500 meter, and that will be your answer. This sum is associated with a figure. Information provided is ABC is a right angle triangle. AB length is given 24. BC length is given 7 and 1 altitude is provided here. At first you have to find out length of AC. So for this right angle triangle, AC is behaving as hypotenuse. So we'll use Pythagoras formula. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC squares. So AB is 24 square, this is 7 square, it will come out as 625. And to get the value of AC, we'll take root over 625, which will come out as 25 centimeter. Now second part of question says you have to find area of triangle. So already we know that this is base and this is altitude. So we'll use the formula half into base into height, that is equal to half into this AB into BC. And we'll put the value and we'll get result as 84 centimeter square. Now third part of question says we have to find out height, this height. How much is the length of BD? So will you consider this one as base and this one as height, and use the formula of area, that half into AC into BD is equal to how much? This 84 centimeter square. So area of triangle is half into new base AC into new perpendicular BD, that is equal to 84. We'll put the value 1 by 2. AC length already we have calculated 25 into BD, and to get the value of BD, what will happen? 84 will get 2 multiplied and this will be divided by 25. It will come out as 168 by 25. When calculation is done, it is coming out as 672. But question is asking length of BD up to first place of decimal. So BD will come out as 6.7 centimeter.